The government is no longer pushing in for numbers. They are telling universities have satellite campuses.
What does this mean for someone who is dreaming of an on-site study in the UK?
TGM Education helps you out from beginning to the end, free of charge.
Hello everyone, welcome to TGM Education Study Desk, your go-to podcast for all things studying abroad, scholarships and turning your study dream into reality. I am your host, Omotoyosi, and I am happy you're here today. We've got something very urgent you need to hear right now. Joining me is Taiwo, one of our top student counselor at TGM Education. Hello Taiwo.
Hi TLC. Hi everyone. Thank you for having me here.
Okay, Taiwo, thank you for being here with us. So we hear there is a new education policy in the UK. Can you please tell us more about it?
On 20th of January 2026, the UK government launched a new international education strategy, which is the government is no longer pushing in for numbers. So no longer we want 600,000 international students, we want 1 million international students.
Okay.
They have completely removed targets for international students number.
Okay, so what are they doing instead?
Okay, so this is what they are doing. They are telling universities. So no longer universities, for example, universities in the UK that have campuses in the UK, in England, Preston. So they are telling these universities, go outside the UK, anywhere in the world, in Europe, America, have satellite campuses. So instead of students coming to study in the UK, they can study in these campuses.
Okay.
They are also promoting online courses. You can be in your country, bag your degree, attend lectures, but not physically coming to the UK. So this is the real goal. They want to improve their education export by 2030 to 40 billion pounds without students coming, studying, and living in the UK.
Okay, Taiwo, what does this mean for someone who is dreaming of an on-site study in the UK?
Currently, the education policy
Okay.
still remain the same. So you can apply, get your offer, apply for a visa, get your visa, study in the UK. But when this window closes, we are not saying they are closing entry for international students. What it means is compliance will become stricter. There will be fewer spots. So what we're just saying now is if you want to go, don't just dream. Act fast, apply so that your dream can become a reality.
Okay, Taiwo, what would you advise our viewers to do right now?
If you want to study in the UK,
Okay.
you need to act very fast. Act very fast, I mean, put in your application, send in your documents, get an offer because tomorrow might be too late. At TGM Education, we offer free counseling, free application, free visa support. So TGM Education helps you out from beginning to the end, free of charge. We are here to make your dream come true.
Thank you very much, Taiwo, for the insight. If this episode hits home, kindly share to anyone who is still dreaming about studying in the UK. Follow us on our social media platform at my TGM Education for more tips, updates, and honest advice. The world is your classroom, but sometimes you need to act fast before the doors start closing. See you next time. Stay sharp, stay focused, and let's make it happen.